Hello, I am so blessed to have you join me today. This is going to be our third eye reading. It's a little mini reading that I offer on Saturdays. And I use two decks for this reading. One will be from the higher realms, a different chakra to support the third eye chakra. And I have a question to ask today to seek some insight with. And it is, how can I be focused, determined, and receive guidance to realize my full potential? So from the Sacred Geometry deck, we have Compassionate Pele. Pele is the passionate volcano goddess of Hawaii. Traditionally, she is depicted as powerful, yet selfish, contrary, even vengeful. This card's alternative depiction comes from shared visions relating to her passionate, compassionate side. She is, as we are, maturing and becoming more loving and compassionate. Compassion is not passive. It is actively opening the heart through the awareness of the interdependence of all things, including other creatures, nature, and the inanimate world. At our core essence, we exist as pure, unconditional love, realizing empathy and concern for others. We sometimes forget this essence, or in our emotional immaturity, act as if we have. Compassion is the embodiment of emotional maturity and a clue to better understanding our humanness. Compassionate Pele now becomes an example and guide for those who are intentionally remembering their soul essence. Hearts created from sacred geometry's golden spiral inform your movement toward emotional maturity. As we mature together, we will realize hope for the human race. Let this card be a reminder to walk the path of peace and compassion in every way, every day. Know that your every thought, word, and action has an effect on the whole and touches the spirit of every other being. Walk in awareness with compassion for all of creation. And to help this message from the Galactic Chakra, we will use a card from the Secret Language of Light. And we have meditation, which we also had earlier this week. I believe Wednesday for the solar chakra. Love and master your emotions. It is time to begin or resume a meditation practice. Gently reflect on how far you have come. Emotional mastery means choosing to be in charge of your life by adjusting your emotions, ideas, and intellect to something that feels easier and softer. This discipline will liberate you by opening a door into the tranquility and wisdom of your soul's love. You can't go beyond limitations while you are still focused on them. Meditate by focusing on something that brings you joy, such as having a massage, playing with your pets, spending time with your children, or creating art. There is no right or wrong way to meditate. It is just a gentle shift in your attention away from the physical world and into a world of infinite possibilities. Meditation is a way of resetting your energy that brings you into a neutral space from where you can move forward. Your life experiences have led you here. Allow them to be the catalyst that creates joy and freedom. And that's it for today's little mini reading. Thank you so much for being with me for it, and feel free to have a listen to any of my other readings I have on offer. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Thanks so much.